Good morning, guys. Yeah, it's like 9:04 a.m. I just like woke up. Didn't even have coffee yet. I wanted to do this video for you guys, and this is YouTube live. You know, I have like a million things to do today, but I've been putting off this video and I needed to do it. So pretty much today I'm going to show you guys the process of me taking down my crochet braids. Yeah, they're pretty fast. It's not anything that complicated. So crochet braids, there's like I think 3 different ways you can do it. My hair is 2 months post relaxer, and I'm noticing that some of the hair was falling out. My new growth is like okay, on point. Anyway, so I've noticed that my hair is starting to look kind of, you know, old. So I need to take it down. So crochet braids, you can pretty much either cut them from here and pull them out, or you can go as I go in with my finger and pull them out as well. But I do this because I reuse my hair. I've been reusing my hair for the past year, so it saved me so much money. Or you can just, like if you have like a curly style, cut it, and then they all fall just by grabbing them. Okay, so when I'm taking down my crochet braids, I always have a good scissor, just in case, because there's always tangles somewhere. Invest in good scissors. This was from Amazon. Okay, the next things are wide tooth comb or some kind of a comb with a pointed tip like this, because this is what you use to take down your own the cornrow, and you don't want things that pull on your hair. So I just have these, and then this is what I use to comb my hair once everything is out and I have my hair out. I use this. Yeah, the next thing is some kind of a leave-in conditioner, some kind of a moisturizing something, because when your hair after you take all the crochets down, your hair tends to be dry. So I always spray it before I start, and then use my fingers and the combs that I showed you guys to take down the cornrow. So yeah, so typically that's all I do because I'm saving the hair. So I just do that, and there you go. So I'm just going in and pulling. As you can see, that's the second one there. So this is pretty much the process for me because I saved my hair. So I'm going to come back and show you guys when my hair is fully all done. And then, oh guys, I forgot to say, I actually still have my pajamas on. That's how funny it is. So yeah, there I am with, you know, the mom look. Anyway, hey guys, so I'm back. I'm halfway down with taking down the crochet braids. And I'm just going to show you guys what I was doing pretty much so I can finish this off. So this is all I've been doing. And then this one. And yeah, this is so much easier when you're cutting them. But as you guys know, I'm reusing my hair, so all right, almost there. Oh yeah, the last one. So this is all hair right here. Okay, so this is me right here. This is how typically my hair usually looks like. I've kept my hair about a week and a half, and I have a lot of new growth, as I said. So this is the typical braid pattern that I do. So 2 cornrows in the back and divide in the middle. I do 4 each on each side. Oh, my hair is dirty. I'm gonna need to wash it. Okay. So once I do that, I'm gonna pick this one today. This is the Cantu Qualcomm Detangling Conditioner. This is meant for natural hair, but I just use it just to, you know, for my son's hair and to, you know, to help with detangling when I'm doing crochet. So I'm just gonna go in and spray it and focus in the back. Another reason I do the 2 cornrows in the back is because it helps with keeping stress away from the nape area. So this has really helped with growing back this area. And when I scalp massage, I really make sure to go in here. So I really massage in here with the conditioner. So this really helps a lot. Okay, let me come back, guys. All right, so I'm still moisturizing it and going in there, and then I'll take my comb, this guy right here, and it's kind of hard to show you guys. So this is where my hair starts, and so I'll just go in. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do the front now, and so that you guys can easily see what I usually do. So as you can see, I just go in here slowly and take down the braid. So that's all I'm doing. It's really hard to see what I'm doing. Oh my god. Okay, so typically this is what I do until I'm able to get to a point where I can use my fingers. So this and this. All right, so here we go. So this is when I can go in my finger now. And slowly take it apart, slowly take it apart. See all those snags and stuff, you don't want to pull. All right, so I'll just show you guys with the first one, and then I'll come back when pretty much my hair is kind of combed out and stuff like that. So this is how my hair typically looks like when I take it out. Oh gosh. Okay, so I'll zoom in a little closer here. So slowly do this, and I'll do this with each hair until I feel like, okay guys, I'm back. Took down all the crochet braids. I have finally combed my hair now. I usually divide it into 3 parts, and what I do is pretty much go hold it like this, comb out the ends with a big white tooth comb like this, and then I can go in and do this. So, whoops, forgot to do that. So you want to do that first and then comb it. So once I'm done with this process, and I want to show you guys, that's my amount of shedding that I got from my hair. This is kind of typical for me, so I don't really stress over it too much. Once I'm done, then I'm gonna shampoo my hair this week. Sometimes I don't use shampoo, as I already said in my other videos. It depends on if my hair feels dirty and greasy and has buildup. I go in with the aloe shampoo right here and do a cold wash with a conditioner. This is the one I've used in the past, and I also have the Tresemme Moisture Rich. And then today I'm doing a protein treatment with the Alpha G 2-minute reconstructor. So I switch it out. Sometimes I do just deep conditioning with a moisturizing conditioner, or I do a protein treatment, you know, so I switch them around. Yeah, so I'll come back when my hair is fully washed and dried and stuff like that, and then you guys can see the final result. But so far my hair is doing really well. I'm really happy with it. So it seems like everything I'm doing is working well. All right, I'll be back guys. Hey guys, so I'm back. I washed my hair, took a shower, I deep conditioned, and then I put leave-in, and then also use this, the Blow Dry It quick drying primer spray, but it's really a heat protectant. I put that and then pretty much covered my hair with this to let it dry, and then I blow dried it like, you know, at the end. I usually don't blow dry 100%, I just do it a little bit. So yeah, so I'm back. So this is where my hair is, as you guys can see. Look at that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it guys. I'm all done with the whole process. I think it takes me about like an hour and a half while I'm multitasking and I have a toddler, you know, running around and stuff like that. Yeah, that's, I think it's about 1.5 hours. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys are staying safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.